Hey Bob, what are you doing today? Wiper blade refills. We're talking 1960 through, well, I don't know, probably 64. You can see that by this time, you're going to be looking at wipers that are cracked, missing pieces. They've been baked in the sun, and they're shot. Well, what should be so hard about replacing the blades, the refills on wipers? Used to be, you can go to Napa and get one of their 16-inch refills. It's not that easy. If you measure the width, well, here's a better way to look at it. If you measure the width here, right across here, you'll find that these refills are 0.37 inch wide. So you go get your Napa refill. Nice new piece. Uh-oh, you'll find it's way too narrow. So even though you can take this rubber piece out of here, it is not going to fit in the receiving clips. What do? So what do? You can buy refills that come in different sizes. Here's the Trico part numbers. You can buy these from Rock Auto. And you see, we're looking at the 47-600 here. Fits 6mm blades. Next one is 7mm. And the next one is 8mm. And as you can see from the packages, they're quite long. So you break off the section you don't need. I'll show you how it works. So I'm using the 800 and I've inserted it. And now you can see the thing is way too long, but they give you notches in here so that you can break it to length and cut it. And I'm going to give these just a little bit of a squeeze with a pair of pliers just to make sure I've got a good grip. But there you go. There's a new refill. Looks like it'll be fine. And here you go. There's the final product. I did take a pair of pliers and squeeze the connections just to be sure. But that's a good solid refill that isn't going to fall out. And we can move on to the next thing. So on this one, I used the Trico 47-800 that I got from Rock Auto. They were, let's see, a 47-800. What do we got here? So $5. So I ended up cutting it with a metal saw. but she's a good fit. On we go.